So we created this game to be user accessible with the color choices that we chose. So for example, instead of using a white background, we actually used a cream colored background with black text, which actually allows the text to stand out. Another thing we used was the animations. So for the text, we chose the animation of white with a effect option going from left to right by paragraph. This allows text to come on once per line. So, for example, it would say hello, then the user's name, followed by the rest of the text. Next line would appear shortly afterwards, and again and again. This allows for users to be able to read without having to struggle with reading between certain lines. And again, with the color choice, that was a very useful technique that we employed.